Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to add clickable link on Google Form. Before we start the video, if you are new to this channel, please make sure to subscribe to my channel for more helpful content like this. Let's dive into the video. First, open your Google Form, and if you don't have a link, it's given in the description, and you can click and directly navigate to the Google Form. Once you're in the Google Form, you can click on the blank form, or you can even start using your existing form. Once Google Form is loaded, you can see a screen like this, and there's a 3 sections. One is title and description and the question. So you can add all 3 sections for a link. Or if you're adding a link for a title, for example, I'm giving a title link, and you have to highlight the text and click on the link option, and you can type your link here and press OK. So this is how we add link for title, and let's see how to add link for description. And highlight the text and go to the link and paste the link there, and once you're happy, you can press OK. And in case if you want to give link for bold text, you can just highlight bold text and press here and paste your link and press OK. Then bold the description will be as a link. And once you're done, let's see how to add a link for question. Same thing, my question. Highlight the text which you want to add a link and click on the link icon and paste your link, and if you are happy, press OK. So your link has been added here. So let's see how is on the preview view. So you can see our link is available in title and description and the question. If you click on the link here, it will open that link, and let's see my question, and it will also open the link. And this is how we add link for Google Form. And if you enjoyed the video, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the thumbs up button.